Welcome to Suffolk County Music Service's final presentation of the Greatest Showman medley Part 3. In this lesson, we're going to practice what we learned for the last two sessions and then learn the final part of the Greatest Showman medley so we can play the whole piece. So let's begin by getting our instruments warmed up.
Before we start, we're going to play some warm-ups on our violin. I will start on the open D and then climb up to first finger D, second finger D and third finger D. See if you can copy me. Open D, first finger, second finger, third finger. Now you try. Open D, first finger, second finger, third finger. And if you can, try and climb back down. So third finger, second finger, first, open. You can practice at home climbing up. Open 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1, 0 to help get your fingers moving. Now see if you can copy this pattern. Open, first, to third, to second. Try it with me. Open, first, to third finger, to second finger. Remember, when you put your third finger down on your violin, you are also placing your second finger down too. And that will help you to then play the last note, which is our second finger. Why don't you pause the video to have a practice of these exercises now? Well done. Do you remember the introduction that we played in the previous sessions, followed by singing Rewrite the Stars, and then we play the second instrumental and then sing This Is Me? Let's get ready now to play this and sing with the backing track. Did you take the challenge to learn the violin 1 part in the previous sessions? If you did, don't forget that we use first finger, third finger and open A for the introduction. In the second instrumental section, you play open D followed by second finger on the G, open G and first finger on the G. Pause the video here to remind yourself of how this goes before we play this with the backing track.
now going to sing along to the final part of This Is Me.
To play the final instrumental section for violin 2, it is really helpful to know that we are playing a harmony part that moves with the main melody. We will be moving with the melody but using slightly different notes. The two notes we will need are open D and first finger on the D to make a low E. We will be following from the melody, but instead we will be playing 1, 1, 0, all on the D string. I will play it now so you can hear how it fits. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 1, 0. Try and join in with me, and we will play this pattern twice with a 4-beat count in the middle. Get your violin ready on the D. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 1, 0. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 1, 0. Well done. Once we have done this, we will then move on to use the words "I'm not scared" to "be me" to help us with the rhythm. And we will count 1, 2, 3. I'm not scared. 1, 2, 3. To be me. And we will play all of those on the open D. After 3, 1, 2, 3. I'm not scared. 1, 2, 3. To be me. And to finish off, we will then go sh, o, 1 at the end. Let's add it in from I'm not scared. After 3, 1, 2, 3. I'm not scared. 1, 2, 3. To be me. Sh, o, 1. Hopefully you could see I was using very short bows here, because all of these notes are called quavers, which mean they last only half a beat, so they're very quick and very short. Let's try that whole pattern now from the 0, 1, 1, 0. Get your left hand and your bow ready. 1, 2, 3, 4. 0, 1, 1, 0. Count 2, 3, 4. 0, 1, 1, 0. 1, 2, 3. I'm not scared. 1, 2, 3. To be me. Sh, 0, 1. Brilliant, well done. Feel free to stop the video here and have a little practice of this now. We are now going to play and sing our final section with the backing track. So get your violin ready. Well done. Time for a challenge. Let's learn the final part for violin 1 before we perform the whole piece. To learn the final instrumental section for violin 1, we are playing the melody that we sing in This Is Me, using the notes open D, first finger on the D, third finger on the D, and second finger on the D, following the pattern 0, 1, 3, 2. And we play that pattern twice with a 4-beat count in the middle, like this. 3, 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 0, 1, 3, 2. The next section that we play, we use the words I'm not scared to be me, and we count 3 beats before we play it. 1, 2, 3. I'm not scared. 1, 2, 3. Do, be, me. And the notes we use here are open D to open A to second finger on the D string. Why don't you try that with me now? 3, 4. Open D, open A, second finger D. Let's try it with the counts and the words. 1, 2, 3. I'm not scared. 1, 2, 3. To be me. Then to finish the pattern, we go shh, 2, 1 on the D. Have a listen. Shh, 2, 1. Try and have a little gap between 2 and 1 if you can. Try it with me now. 3, 4. Shh, 2, 1. Let's try the whole pattern, starting on open D for the 0, 1, 3, 2 pattern. 3, 4. 0, 1, 3, 2. Count. 2, 3, 4. 0, 1, 3, 2. 1, 2, 3. I'm not scared. 1, 2, 3. To be me. Shh, 2, 1. Well done. Pause the video here to practice this pattern.
Don't forget to pause and rewind as many times as you like before we play the whole piece. Before we start, here's a reminder of all the different sections we will need to sing and play. First of all, we play our instruments in the introduction. We then sing Rewrite the Stars.
What if we rewrite the stars?
We play the first part of This Is Me. Then we sing This Is Me.
Look out, 'cause here I come.
We then play the second part of This Is Me. And then we sing the final part of This Is Me to finish.
This is me.
done everyone, you've done a fantastic job listening and playing along with each tutor, and you've taken the time to pause and practice along the way. Remember, you can watch any part of this or any other of our videos as many times as you like. Why not perform your own concert at home playing all your favourite pieces that you've learnt with us? Keep up the good work and look out for more playing opportunities on our website.